It's your friend Norah
and Adara.
Today we're going to make some Funfetti cupcakes.
Let's go.
Have your parent turn on the oven to 350 degrees.
First, we're going to dump the cake mixer.
Now let's crack 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3.
Now let's pour in 1/2 cup of oil.
Now let's pour in 1 cup of water. Let's mix!
Now let's put some cupcake liners in the pan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Let's use a ladle to make it easier to pour.
The bake time for the cupcakes is 15 or 20 minutes.
Now it's time to frost the cupcake. I have my brother here to help me.
You want some more frosting?
Yum!
Come back and bake with us.